I want to talk about the NCLH trade. So Zia says NCLH is considering bankruptcy. So why did you trade it? Zia, that is not correct. They are not considering bankruptcy at all. Not at all. So let's talk about NCLH and why I entered this trade and why I actually do like the trade, even though right now it is down $500, $600. But again, keep in mind that this account that I'm trading here is $36,000. So this is really not a big deal. Okay, so let's take a look at NCLH and why I traded this. I've been trading NCLH in the past and really liked it. Here's why. NCLH was a stock that has been trading around 50 to 55. Then we had this virus going on, and as you can see, they plummeted down. They found a bottom here, and this is when, again, they popped back up. This is what has been happening over the past few months. Then there were some bad news. They were going down. They popped back up. We're going up. And now today they're down 23%. So what is happening here? Why did they drop so much? And why do I still believe that this is a really good trade? So first of all, today the news broke. Two news. First of all, Carnival Cruise Line said we are going to resume our operations on August 1st. Now, we don't know how many people will go on a cruise, but I do believe that this will definitely help them to make some money, to bring in some revenues again. The other two cruise lines, Royal Caribbean and Norwegian Cruise Lines, have not yet announced it, but they're expected to make a similar statement over the next few days. Back to where Zia said, don't they file for bankruptcy? Not at all. So here is what happened today. This is a report from Bloomberg. So Norwegian Cruise Lines is pledging ships and 2 islands as part of a plan to raise as much as $2 billion to survive the travel industry shutdown. So they are actually raising money. And they say exactly here is how we are planning to do it. So they are selling $600 million of junk bonds. They are raising another $650 million of exchangeable notes and a public offering of 350 million ordinary shares, the regular shares that you and I can buy, and a 400 million investment by an affiliate of a private equity firm, L. Catterton. No idea. Here's the deal. This has nothing to do with bankruptcy. All this means right now is, yes, we do need money. And here we have a plan. Here is how we are getting $2 billion. Doing this, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, so this is a very concrete plan. Now, you might be wondering, if they put such a concrete plan in motion, why at this point are shares plummeting? Very, very easy. And this is why I liked where I bought it this morning. Didn't expect to go much further down. But so here's what exactly happened. We need our handy dandy notebook to do some math, because you already know this. Money is math. Sorry, the good news is that the math that we are doing here is just very simple math. It is math that you can do on your iPhone here, so no big deal. But let's take a look at NCLH. And here's what I want to look at. I want to look at their financials. And looking at their financials, here is what I see. The market capitalization right now is $2.381 billion. So this is the first thing that we want to write down. The current market cap is, let's say, around $2,400 million. Okay, so $2.4 billion, $1 billion is 1,000 million. So $2.4 million. Now, what did they just say? What do they want to do? They want to actually raise another $350,000 through ordinary shares. The same shares that they have here right now being traded. New shares will be $350 million. That's what they announced, right? You're with me thus far? Does this make sense? If so, give me a thumbs up. So in percent, how much is this in percent? So we need to do some basic math, and we take 350 divided by 2,400. So this means 14.58%. So this is what they're bringing on. This is how many more shares they're dumping into the market. What does this mean? Well, it means that now, obviously, if the price yesterday was trading at a certain level, that right now this price needs to go down by at least 14.58%. This is how it works. Okay, so let's jump onto the charts here right now. And let's take a look at NCLH of where they closed yesterday. It was at $14.44. So now, today, obviously what needs to happen, when they announced it, the share price has to drop. By how much? Well, you guessed it, by 14.458%. So this means that today the price should have dropped to $12.27. So this is what it should have dropped. Now let's see where they are trading right now. So right now, as you can see, they are trading at $11.18. So what happened? So why are they trading much lower than they should? First of all, a 14.5% drop would have been absolutely normal. However, this is where many traders misunderstand of what is actually happening. And this is why today, when some traders saw NCLH dropping by 14.5%, which they had to, there's no other way. This is when there was some additional selling kicking in. Now, I want to show you what happened here this morning. And let's take a look at a 5-minute chart. So as you can see here this morning, they opened at 13.10. This is where they should have been trading. This is what happened this morning. They traded right there where they should have been trading for the first few minutes. And then probably Zia and a few others thought, they're in trouble. And then there was some panic selling coming in. And then it bounced right back because everybody realized, oh, that's what they're doing. They're raising more money. I got it. Okay. And they have been trading around this price here for most of the day, as you can see. So this is why I still like this trade and why I do believe that they might bounce back. So that's what I see here on the chart. Now, if they do go down to $8, am I okay owning this stock? Absolutely. But right now, so you see, they did a few things that I think are really important. 3 things that make me believe that NCLH is a really good investment. Number 1, one of their competitors already said, we are resuming normal operations August 1st. So pretty sure that they will do the same fairly quickly. Number 2, they are restructuring debt. They know that they need money. And last month they said, oh, we have money for the next 6 to 8 months. But they are being proactive right now. That's good, right? So they don't wait until bankruptcy. Number 3, today they furloughed 20% of their shore staff. So, of course, it's always horrible when companies lay off people. And for NCLH, that means that right now they're decreasing their monthly cost. Is this making sense? So this is why I still like the NCLH trade. And when I plopped it into the put options calculator, it seemed that I can get $140 a day by doing this. And my goal is $108 per day per position. Is this making sense? So Zia and everybody else who is wondering about, are they going bankrupt? No, not at all. Okay, so hope that helps. This is why I wanted to share why I like NCLH here as a trade and why I'm okay having it in the portfolio, even though right now it is going slightly against me. I've seen it down $500, $600. Really not a big deal. I'm getting more concerned when a trade is going $2,000 against me. That's when I'm looking for rescue missions. If you enjoyed this video, and you would like to see other videos, click on subscribe here and hit the little notification bell. This way you get notified whenever I release a new video. And there's probably a few videos popping up on the screen right now. If you want to continue watching videos, just click on any of these videos that make the most sense to you. All right. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.